How to create a savings account in Halifax. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can open yourself a savings account in your device. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to any of your web application. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome. Then at the top search bar, type in www.halifax.co.uk. As you do so, you will land onto its official website. Now, in order to open yourself a savings account, tap on the menu bar and tap onto Savings. Under Savings Account, you will see other various options. Choose your favorite. Compare the options, read all the descriptions. Here you can also see other accounts under Savings Account. Now, if you would like to open yourself a bonus saver account, tap onto the title. Then it will land onto this page. Here you can see who this account is for and its benefits. Now to open this account, tap on Open Now. If you already are a Halifax customer and registered for internet banking, tap on Yes. If not, tap onto No. And like below, answer all these questions and here tap on Register and Apply. Just like so, follow the on-screen prompt to get started opening yourself an Halifax account. That will be the end of today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated and thank you for watching.